Good morning! We are finally on our way to Uluru. We're starting our journey to the Red Centre, although it's quite grey today.
It is. I hope it rains enough to make the water flow off it and not just be damp the whole time. See all flow off there.
Okay, alright, so bags there. Oh, it's got its fly protection ready. I think that'll work really well. I think a lot of people are like, why would you get excited about a big rock in the desert? And the thing is, it's huge. Like, it really stands out, and it doesn't stand out in the same way that a mountain does, because mountains are covered in trees and they kind of look like a bluey green from a distance, whereas like it's clearly a giant rock and it's very red. A lot of you wouldn't know, but Ryan's actually colorblind, so he doesn't see reds and greens very well. And even he said he can tell it's red from here. So
50 k's away.
From 50 k's away. So that gives you a bit of an idea. We just finished up at the cultural centre. The flies are honestly bad. So I'll be wearing a fly net today. I'm not going to film everything, obviously. There's cultural sites here, we're going to respect that. But I just want to show the sheer size of this thing. Like, that's one solid rock. Huh?
This is the low end of it too.
Exactly. Attire is on point. Outfit matches the rock. Ryan doesn't have a fly net.
Apparently this keeps flies away.
It did last time for you.
Well, I bet there's flies around my face. No?
No, there's more around mine than yours.
That's good. Looks like big waves crossing.
Yeah. Bush plums. Yeah. Oh, that's just huge.
Still alive.
Gross.
Picked out of my ear.
It's disgusting.
Because whenever you go like this, they don't fly away. You have to actually lift them out.
Look at this thing. So we're walking past this. It looks like it's painted. So pretty.
Right, so let's see your technique for making sure all these flies don't go in the van. They actually all flew off there.
Okay, alright, so bag first. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? Because I have a big hat on.
You need the hat first, yeah.
Oh.
Then they're all going to have to go in
No,
the
no,
face.
no. I have an idea.
Unclip.
Yeah. Unclip that. Oh, it's stuck in my hair. Hang on. Alright.
Well, you got most of them off there by doing that.
Yeah?
Yeah, a lot of them did.
Alright, I need to make sure they don't also go in the van.
Yeah, because they're all over the...
Alright.
Right. Not bad, not bad.
Okay.
alright, it's kind of working. There's really not many on you. You might be safer just jumping in.
Oh, hang on. I can feel them on my legs. Right, bye.
And then I just give a bit of a shake and then like rub myself off the van.
Made it in with just one extra fly and you got 3 in. And 1 on your face.
Success?
Woo! Yep. Up and awake. Come out for sunrise this morning. However, can you hear that? It's been raining all night. So I don't think we're actually going to see anything, but we thought, we'll just come down anyway and then we can get an early start on the day. So I'm not going to open the back doors if it's raining, but I don't know, maybe we'll get a break in the rain. We've still got another 20 minutes until sunrise, so maybe it could ease off. I don't really think so, but we'll see. There's a few people in ponchos walking past. And it's not getting any redder. So Ryan's got the binoculars out and we can see that there's actual waterfalls coming off Uluru, which is what we were hoping for. So we're going to take a drive out there a bit later and go and check those out a little bit closer because it's properly rushing off now. It did rain like most of the night and it's kind of a little bit more than spitting now, so should be good.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, something different as well. He's got his fly protection ready. I don't know if you'll need it today, but
I think it's good.
It is. I think that'll work really well. Can't even tell who you are.
Just stop.
Yeah, it's easy to, like, if you want to take a sip of water or something, you can just pull that down.
Stop them buzzing in your ears and stuff.
Yeah, that's really good. I like it.
Good use for my one t-shirt.
Yeah.
The only t-shirt that I have.
How amazing! The friends, the dummies are back. That is just stunning. A big waterfall over there. Here.
Enjoying that? Huh? Are you enjoying that? Are you enjoying that?
Something else, completely something else.
Yeah, I knew it would be. I'd seen like photos of it before, but to see it in the flash is amazing.
Yeah, and you said something like only 3% of people get to see it in the rain, didn't you? Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. We're on our way out to Katajuda now. We'll have something to eat, and I think it takes about half an hour to get there. So
45, it's 50 kilometers.
Oh, okay. So, we'll see you soon. Made it to Katajuda, and we did have some lunch, but since we've had lunch, the rain has eased a bit, so we don't have as many waterfalls. But I know this area is a bit more culturally sensitive, so we won't be able to take much footage here anyway, but we'll just take what we can. Ryan's got his gumboots on this time, ready for action.
Yep. And I've also got a ninja mask in case the flies get insane, but the rain's keeping them down, so
Hopefully
I'll just go with the hat for now.
So we're starting with the longer walk here, which is 7.4 k's I think, and it's called the Valley of the Winds. It's certainly living up to its name.
Oh, we're not even in it yet.
I know. But also, I forgot to mention, it's like 14 degrees today, so a few layers have been added, and yeah, I mean, it's still nice. I'm enjoying it. Whoa, your whole shirt just blows. It's wild.
You have to at least slip once.
Why? Oh my God.
Well, it's dodgy. Yeah, go diagonal. Zigzag.
Huh?
Zigzag across it. Up. There.
Oh, you're doing it so easy. Your boots must be good for you like that.
I don't know if they are. Little creek. Pretty big, aren't they?
Oh. We're on our way back down toward the end of the loop now, and here is a beautiful view. I think the rule here, sorry, I think the rule here is that if you can keep 3 domes in your picture, that's preferable, because it's less likely that you're close enough to be taking pictures or footage of any place of cultural significance. So I think if you stick to that rule, it's fine. And there are certain places that they prefer, like you can take pictures if you want, but they prefer that you don't post them on social media, so just keep them to yourself. So yeah, definitely want to respect that and keep this place special. It's gorgeous, so. We finished the Valley of the Winds walk, and we've just driven directly to Walpa Gorge because we're cold and wet anyway, so may as well do it. And it's raining, so I think it'd be cool to see in the rain. This one is what, 2.4 k's?
2.6, I think.
Yeah. So just a short one. We'll go and check it out.